That's why I want to take that thing off of it. Just so it gets straight gas all the time. Oh, duh. That's probably why. I ain't got the switch hooked up. Man, it might fire up without the gas. Yeah, it might.
We'll bump the gas a little bit.
Warm up, and then it hasn't been crunked in probably about a month or so since that one.
Okay, makes sense.
But yeah,
Oh, so we got another project, and we got a partner now. He gonna be helping build them, enjoying going crazy out here. And we about to get into some RCs, so line them up RC, stay tuned. Give us a few minutes and we'll be right back like this. Back with another one. So we know when it's running. So you know us. Gotta clean it off. It's a quick clean, you know. Wheels are dry rotted. We're gonna probably put some 4-wheel wheels on there. Yeah, we're gonna paint it too, but we talking about something later. But we just want to get it running. And we know it runs and drive. We just get everything else cleaned up. Stay tuned. Oh, you see it. So we're about to snatch the seats up out the buggy. Then we about to get them done. Q gonna get the seats right for us. Y'all seen it before. Pads, all that looks crazy. Rust, all this. Pay attention to the details. All this gonna be looking totally different when it's done. We're gonna go ahead and paint it. We got some ideas for it. This is gonna be another project. We got the this bike coming soon. We got the other one, a couple 4-wheelers. So it's a lot of work coming soon. So let's get to it. So this is what we about to do. Take the carb off, get rid of this air box. We're gonna put an aftermarket one on there. Ready to pull the interior seats out. New carburetor. I'll probably put a push start in here or a switch start. We'll figure out that later. But yeah, get ready to clean all this up, get the brackets done. But right now we just want this thing going and stopping, get the wheels done. And we'll be rum. Let's get this air box off.